Good morning, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax and Stuart. We're here aboard a brand new 285 Conquest whaler, and what an absolutely beautiful boat. Got a nice beautiful hardtop with an enclosure that also removes for air and for those warm sunny days. The flip side is it's fantastic for those windy, cold, rainy days and for just getting out of the weather. The helm station in this boat, what a layout. Big Ray Marine, beautiful screen for your fishing, GPS and navigation, Mercury joystick setup. Now the cabin in this boat, although you may not see it in the video real well, very, very big and comfortable. Fantastic galley area, microwave, refrigerator, hot plate for cooking. This boat does have an enclosed head, and it also does have a very nice aft stateroom. Good area for laying out, sleeping, plenty of room in the boat for that. We've got a nice area in the cockpit here with a big lounger seat. The back of the boat, big comfortable rear seat that does fold up to get out of your way for fishing and for more cockpit area. 285 Conquest whaler. You got to get out and ride this boat. For more information, please feel free to call me, Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart. 772-263-6743. Thank you for your time.